Hello, dear students. Today's topic is undeterminate coefficient. এই টপিকটা খুব হেল্পফুল হবে। It is very helpful for students of college, universities, of math honors and math general students, and it is also helpful for BTech or BCA students who have to face the problems of differential equations. They can solve easily by these methods of solution. It is very helpful method to finding particular integral, and by this you can solve varieties of higher order differential equation. So let us start. At first you can see here that I will discuss first about the working rule. Let us take a differential equation like this: d square y by dx square plus by dy by dx plus qx into y equals to rx. We have taken a second order differential equation, and here in the right hand side you can see a function of x, that is rx. We will discuss varieties of topics on the basis of what rx will be given. Okay, and also here you can see a function multiplied with y, that is qx, it is function of x also, and also a multiplied with dy by dx, a function fx, function of x, it is right here px. Okay, at first you have to find out complementary function. You already know to find out about the complementary function. Uh, so, uh, or if any problem, first check these working rules of finding CF, that is complementary function, and then come through with this working rule of undetermined coefficient. Okay, now we know already if y is the solution, then the value of y will be CF plus YP. CF is complementary function and YP is particular integral. Okay. Now how to find the value of YP, particular integral? At first we have taken Rx is Rx in the right hand side is e to the power ax. We have taken Rx is e to the power ax. Okay. Rx is in the right hand side of the differential equation. Here Rx is e to the power ax. If you get that a is not a root of the auxiliary equation, that is e to the power ax is not in the CF, take yp equals to a e to the power ax. Okay, clear? Here rx is e to the power ax, that is if rx is e to the power 2x. Let us take an example. If rx is e to the power 2x, and if you see that uh, 2 is not root of the auxiliary equation, 2 is not the root of the auxiliary equation, then you can write yp equals to a e to the power 2x. Now by given conditions you have to find out the value of capital A. Okay, now it is for a. Now for b, if a is a simple root of the auxiliary equation, e to the power ax, then yp will be ax e to the power ax, a capital ax e to the power ax. What we say? If small a is the simple root of the auxiliary equation, that is, let us take e to the power 2x is given in place of rx, and if we have a root of auxiliary equation 2, okay, then cf will be what? You know, cf will be e to the power 2x is repetition, e to the power 2x. Okay, in that case you have to take yp as a x e to the power 2x, that is you have to multiply an x. You have to multiply an x with e to the power 2x. And obviously capital A will be available. And if we have a is a double root of the auxiliary equation, then and e to the power x available, then yp will be ax square e to the power ax. Okay, now I will discuss about the examples of this variety. Okay, here is a solution. You can see d square y by dx square plus 2 dy dx plus 2y equals to a e to the power 2x. Okay, here you can see in right hand side a function rx equals to e to the power 2x. Here rx equals to e to the power 2x. Okay, rx equal to e to the power 2x. Now you have to find first complementary function, that is cf. For finding cf, let y equals to e to the power mx be a trial solution of the auxiliary equation. uh, then you have auxiliary equation like this: m square plus 2m plus 2 equals to 0. Then you have the value of m will be -1 plus or minus I. So cf will be e to the power minus x c1 cos x c2 sin x. Here there is no root similarity with the value 2. Okay, because here the value of m is not equals to 2. The okay, so here to find pi, the RHS contains e to the power 2x. Here is a reason also, which 2 is not a root, 2 is not a root, 2 is not a root of the auxiliary equation. 2 is not a root is here, 2 is not a root of the auxiliary equation. So by law we can write yp is yp equals to a to the power 2x. If you can see here, the value of m is 2, then here you have to put ax e to the power 2x. Okay, ax e to the power 2x. If the value of m is 2 comma 2 repeatedly, then you have to put yp ax square to the power 2x. Okay, let us come in this math again. You have yp equal to a to the power 2x. Now how to find the value of capital A? For this, yp is a root of the given equation, this. Okay, so you have yp a to the power 2x, you have dyp, differentiating it, we have 2a to the power 2x and d square yp 4a to the power 2x. Now putting these all values in this equation, we have this, and comparing this, we have tan a equals to 8 and a equals to 4 by 5. So yp equals to 4 by 5 e to the power 2x. Here is cf and here is yp. So y is this plus this, cf plus yp. Okay, by these methods you first take yp, and after that you can find the value of a. Now if you see the second problem, here, the second problem is, okay, you can see here, so you can write d square y by dx square, okay, minus dy dx plus 6y equals to the power minus 2x. Okay, 20 to the power minus 2x. In this sum, you have to first find out the value of cf. Here the auxiliary equation is m square minus m minus 6 equals to 0. Okay, so the value of m is 3 and minus 2. So here you have cf complementary function is c1 e to the power 3x plus c2 to the power minus 2x. Here you can see that the value of m is minus 2, which is already have in the right hand side of the main equation. Here you can see minus 2 in the right hand side, here e to the power minus 2x. Here in power of e, you can see the coefficient of x is minus 2. So it is a minus 2 is a simple root of the auxiliary equation. Here is a repetition of minus 2. So you can write yp as ax e to the power minus 2x. We have already discussed about this by rule 1b actually. So we have taken yp this. Now you have to find out the value of dyp, d square yp, and so on, and putting these values in main function. You have this, okay, dyp d square yp, you have this, and comparing, you have comparing, compare left hand side and right hand side. You have what? Okay, compare first. Here in left hand side, the coefficient of e to the power minus 2x is this, and in right hand side the coefficient of e to the power minus 2x is 20, and it is the here x e to the power minus 2x. Okay, it is not applicable here. So, and also here we have a value e to the power minus 2x coefficients. So you have minus 5a e to the power minus 2x equals to 20 e to the power minus 2x. Comparing, we have minus 5a equals 20, a equals to minus 4. So putting the value, you have the result. Okay, now let us take a application of 1c, and here is the problem. D square y by dx square plus 6 dy dx plus 9y equal to 24 e to the power minus 3x. Let us first find out the auxiliary equation, here m plus 3 whole square, and the values of m is minus 3 and minus 3. So cf will be c1 plus c2x e to the power minus 3x. Okay, here minus 3 is repeated two times, minus 3 is repeated two times, and also minus 3 is here also in power minus 3, you can see. So e to the power minus 3x is a double root of the auxiliary equation. Okay, so by application of 1c, you have to write yp, you have to write yp at ax square e to the power minus 3x, ax square e to the power minus 3x. Okay, here you can see that, here you can see yp equals to ax square e to the power minus 3x. This is the change. Here we have to take x square, as minus 3 is repeated two times, and minus 3 is also available in the power of right hand side of e. Okay, now I have to put the yp in mother function of the sum. Here the dyp, here d square yp, putting the all values and comparing right hand side of the equation, we have 2a to the power minus 2x. Okay, here only 2, and other places x available, so it is not applicable. So only here 2a e to the power minus 3x equals to 24 e to the power minus 3x. So you have the value of a. Now putting the value of a, you have yp, and combining with cf, you have the general solution y. Okay, now uh, if in right hand side there is a polynomial function, if in right hand side there is a polynomial function like this, a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot dot a n x to the power n, let us take a sum like this type of, let 2x plus 3x square. Okay, this is a polynomial of degree 2. Okay, here is no any constant, there is a constant, there is no any constant, this a0 equals to 0. Okay, a0 equals to 0, here a1 equals to 2, a1 equals to 2, and a2 equals to 3. Okay, a2 equals to 3. So in this case you have to take yp as capital A0, capital A1x, A2x square, ANX to the power n. Here in Rx you can see the power of the polynomial is n, so it is go through up to power of x to the power n. If you can see the power of the polynomial, what we have write like this, power of polynomial is 2, then you have to 2 the yp also up to 2. that is a1 plus a2x, a1 plus a2x plus a3x square. Okay. Okay, in particular case, if Rx equals to A0, a constant only, then assume Yp equal to capital A0. It is rule number A. In case of rule number B, if Qx equals to 0, where is Qx? Qx is, in this case, d square y by dx square plus px dy dx plus Qx. Okay, Qx plus Qx y equals to Rx. This qx. If this qx is 0, then you have to take yp as uh, x with multiplied with previous concept. So x into a0 plus a1 x plus a2x square plus dot dot a n x to the power n. Okay. If px is also 0, that is this. If px is also 0, you have to multiply x square with this. That is x square into a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot dot a n x to the power n. And this is okay. Here you can see equation with constant or polynomial right side. You see this uh, here d square by dx square minus dy dx minus 2y equals to 8. Okay, here the only constant is available, that is only a0 is available. There is no power of x, so you have to take only capital A0. Now auxiliary equation is m minus 2 m plus 1, that is value of m is 2 minus 1, so CF is this. There is no role of CF in this case. In polynomial cases, the role of CS is only in exponential cases, that is in previous, that is in 1a 1b 1c. In polynomial cases there is no uh, application of CF, or that is there is no role of CF, sorry. To find pi, uh, right hand side is constant, here is constant, so you have to put yp equals to a. Now put the yp in this mother equation. You have this first the constant derivative dyp is 0, d square yp also 0, so you have only this minus 2a equals to 8. So you have the value of a is minus 4, so yp equals to minus 4. Combining with cf plus yp, you have the mean value. Okay, this over. For next sum, you can see here the right hand side is x square minus 2x plus 2. So after finding CF, there is no role of CF. Now you have to take YP. How we will take? Here the polynomial x is of degree 2. So you have to take YP as up to degree 2 also. So this is a plus bx plus cx square. Okay. Here the degree is 2. So here you have to take up to degree 2. A plus bx plus cx square. Now you have to put this yp value in this mother equation. For this reason you have to derivative this first derivative, this is second derivative, and you have to put in mother equation. You have this. Now comparing both side of this equation, comparing first power 2 of x, power 1 of x, and uh, constant, comparing, very linear comparing, very easy comparing. You have to compare x square, this x square you have is equal to 1. Here only the coefficient of x square is c, and the coefficient of x square is 1. Here coefficient of x is here 8c, you can see that minus 8c, sorry, and the coefficient is x is b, so b minus 8 is equal to minus 2, and here also you have constant. So now you have to solve this, and you have the value abc. After finding ABC, you have YP, and combining CF with YP, you have the final answer. Okay. Now for the next sum, application of 2B. Application of 2B. Here is the problem is d square minus 4 dy dx equals to x square. You can see d square I have tried to see you d square minus dx square minus 4 dy dx is equal to x square. Here also, okay. For this you have CF already, now you have to take YPS here. In right hand side, here in right hand side the power of x is 2, so you have to take it as a plus bx plus cx square and multiplying with x. Okay, what is the reason of multiplication of x? You can see that in this problem the value of qx equals to 0, comparing with the main equation what we have discussed in the starting of the video. Here qx equals to 0, so we have to multiply it here x. Now natural way, dy, find dyp, differentiating it first time, differentiating it second time, we have d square yp and putting the value in other equation of this sum and comparing with left hand side and right hand side what we have already discussed in previous sum. You have the value, we have the equations with abc. Now solving these equations we have the answer abc and putting this in yp, you have the value of yp and you have also cf plus yp equals to y, and this is the final answer. Okay, if if already here px equals to 0 also, then you have to take here yps. In case of x you have to put x square into a plus bx plus x square. Okay, now in this video I have already discussed about the exponential, and now I have discussed uh, about polynomial function. In very next video I will discuss about trigonometric function and combination of varieties function. Okay.